Hey guys, this is Yom and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, today is the second episode of our mini series on how to prepare the structural drawing. So in the episode 1, we have learned what is a structural drawing and how it can be useful while construction of the building. Now, in today's episode, we will see that what are the different drawings that we will get in a particular structural drawing. Okay, so let's go ahead and study the structural drawing. And guys, if you find this video useful, please hit the like button and also share this with your friends and colleagues. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. That is all I'm expecting from you. Okay, so the first thing is that we are going to see what are the different pages in the structural drawing, or structural drawing comprises of how many types of drawings. Okay, so if it is a building which is having the pile foundation in it, then it will look something like this. Okay, so first of all, in the first page you will get the pile cap layout. Okay, because piles are not constructed alone, they have to be constructed with pile caps. Okay, it is not like the isolated footing. Okay, so now you can see you will get the pile caps over here, then you will get the schedule for the pile caps. Okay, and then you will get the column layout. So you can see this is the column layout over here, and again you will have the schedule for column layout. Okay, now after this, what you are going to get, you will get the sections of all these. That means the piles. Okay, so you will get the individual section, like the typical section of the column pile cap PC1. Okay, so you can see in our drawing we have different types of the pile caps over here, and on total in this particular project we have 5 different pile caps. Okay, so for each pile cap you will get the drawing over here. So you need to study this properly, and after that, according to the drawing, you have to go for the construction. Then we have the general notes in our structural drawing, and this is very much important. Okay, because all the dimensions and covers and everything are mentioned in the general notes section. Okay, after that you can see we have individual sections of all the pile caps that are mentioned in our structural drawing. Then we have our plinth beam drawing. Okay, so in case you have tie beams also being used in your particular drawing, then you will get the tie beam, but in this project we don't have the tie beam, so we have directly the plinth beam. Okay, and then we have the schedule for the plinth beam. Now you can see we have the detailed section of the plinth beam. That means till how much distance we have the extra reinforcements, reinforcement, which is ST1, which is ST2, and everything is mentioned over here clearly. Okay, so we will learn each and everything in our complete series, like how to study everything in detail. Here you can see we have the typical section for the PB1. Okay, so there are multiple plinth beams over here, and I guess there are only 2 in this one. Okay, but anyway, we have the complete sections of all the things, and we have all the details of the plinth beam over here. Then we have the roof beam. Okay, and the roof beam schedule is here. So on total we have 5 types of roof beams over here. Okay, on both the floors we have the same arrangement of the roof beams, so we have not got any extra sheet for that. Okay, and now you can see we have the detailed sectional view of the roof beams over here, and after that you will also get the sections where you can see the reinforcement arrangement. Okay, now after that what we get is the slab drawing. Okay, so in this slab drawing we will get to know that where our slabs are placed and what are the types of the reinforcement that are being used over here. Okay, so in the balcony area we have the double mesh. In the all other slabs we have the crank bars that is being used over here. So you know that in the slab we have the cut bars and the crank bars. So this slab is made up of crank bars because in India we generally use crank bars. However, the cut bars are also being used in various parts of the country. Okay, now we have different slab details for all the different layers of the roof, and this is a G+1 building. So we have ground floor roof, and then the first floor roof, and then we have the slab details for our headroom also. Okay, So you have seen that everything we have got over here, and we will read out everything in detail. So do not worry about that. Okay, so you can see we have got everything over here. Now you can see we have the like staircase details over here, and then we have the details of chhaja, and we have the details of lintel. So everything that is mentioned in this structural drawing, we are going to read out everything one by one, and we will learn how we can prepare this and what are the different points that we need to take care of while preparing the structural drawing. Okay, so that is all for this episode. We will meet in the episode 3, which will be released the day after tomorrow. So stay tuned to our channel, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe to this one and press the bell icon just beside the subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever we are uploading a new video on our channel. Okay, guys. So if you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.